2006 Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty Crew Cab here at UniqueClassicCars.com. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 41,000 is all on this one. Medium Wedgwood blue top with the tan highlights on the bottom, tan leather interior, and we'll get to that in just a bit. 6.0 Power Stroke diesel underneath the hood. Of course, your modern equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome up front, also a chrome bug shield. Lots of pictures of this truck on our website at UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished wheels, Continental radials. This truck was actually stored winter, so has not been driven in inclement weather, and it shows. Take a look down the passenger side of the truck. You peek at the interior, split bench seat, fold down armrest or center console, and we will get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll even take this truck for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. I want to quick mention too, as far as the vinyl or the decals, you can see in the rear glass, this is one we have on consignment. Those will stay on the truck until the truck sells. They can be easily removed. So I just want to make that clear. And also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, clean Carfax. No accidents, actual miles, just a little over 41,000. And as you can see, roll up tonneau cover, bed rails. If you look at the still pictures, you're gonna see that it has a bed liner in it, a composite bed liner, and also a bed mat on that bed liner. Take a look at the still pictures. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see how well the paint shows and around the wheel wells. Truck was stored winters, not driven in inclement weather, been exposed to the salt, etc. Let's take a peek in the rear. Doesn't hardly look like the back has been sat in as far as the seating area goes. Also has had weather techs down. So nice set of floor mats in there. Again, seating surface you can see are good. Headliner also. Sliding rear window. Of course, your modern amenities on the interior too, the power windows, power locks, mirrors. You can see power seat over here as well as heated seats. Of course, the Lariat package nicely loaded. There's your exact miles, 41,482. AM FM CD cassette player. Built-in trailer brake setup. Driver's information center, 4x4 on the fly, power rear window, electronic climate control, all the goodies. Let's go ahead and start it up. Top of the dash looks good. The truck does have remote start also. Going to sound like you'd expect a 6-liter Power Stroke to sound. Gives you a good idea. Since I am indoors, I'm going to click it off since you've heard it run. And I tell you what, we can show you that engine bay real quick. I have the exhaust fans going, so take a peek underneath the hood. As you can see, cold air intake has been added. Let that baby breathe a little bit. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. Clean Carfax, actual miles, well maintained, 2006 Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty Crew. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Let's go for a drive in a 2006 Ford F-350 in probably the best color I've ever seen on an F-350, this nice blue. Then we got a beige interior with some bucket seats and a center fold-up seat with storage. This is a diesel and it is an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. All the fun and torque of a diesel in a really nice truck. This truck, I mean, it looks and feels like new. Good factory stereo. The odometer currently showing 41,480 miles. Our oil pressure is halfway up the gauge and the fuel showing full. Temperature gauge is still cool. It's still warming up. Really can't get over the condition of this truck for a 2006. If you're a fan, you might as well buy this one. It's like buying a brand new one in 2006. Brakes work great. Visibility is really good in this truck as well. Corners nicely. It doesn't lean very much. Accelerates nicely. This truck's ready for anything you want to do with it. Lots of room inside, lots of power. Learn more about it and take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.